Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jason, and in today's video I'm actually really excited because we are going to be doing an unboxing, but this is going to be an unboxing of my first Mindful Souls box. So if you're not familiar with Mindful Souls, it's more of spiritual type box. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright everybody, as I said in the teaser, this is going to be an unboxing of Mindful Souls, which is my first box, and I'm so excited about this. I did go online and see some other unboxing videos, so I've got an idea of what might be in the boxes, but I don't really know what's in this box. So, Mindful Souls, this is what the box looks like. It's a nice little box. You see I like the symbol that they have. And I've already cut the tape so we don't have to spend all that time. But when you open up the box, this is what the inside looks like. And they give you a nice card in here. Okay, and on the back of the card, it does give you the items that are in your box with a description. There are no retail prices, so I'm not really sure what the retail value of the box is, but just for those of you that may not know, Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription, and I believe I've got the subscription cost here. Normally on the website, if you go to the website mindfulsouls.com, the subscription box is normally $69.97 a month. But I know that they've been having a promotional sale for a while. So right now it's currently $39.97 a month, which I think is a great deal. So, and if you order it at that price, you're locked into that price. So if it goes back up to the $69.97 a month, then you're still gonna be paying just the $39.97. So let's go ahead and look into the box and see what I got. From watching the other unboxings, I do know that in each box you get like a little sticker, which I got in this one. It's their little Mindful Soul sticker. And then you usually get some kind of like affirmation card. And this one is affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. Which is nice. Hopefully that's going to be the case, considering now that I'm doing the YouTube channel and growing my channel. So let's go ahead and start looking at the actual items in the box, and I'm just going to take them out as I see them here. This one is on top, so I will pull this one. And I did see these in other boxes, and I was hoping I would get one of these. So this is a nice little dream catcher. It's actually really, for a small one, it's really pretty. I do like the colors on it. Orange happens to be one of my favorite colors. So I'm very excited for this. And interesting story, in one of my other videos, if you didn't see, I did talk about, unfortunately, we had to put our cat to sleep. We had a senior cat who had gone blind, and then some other problems arose, and it just was better for her to, unfortunately, have to put her to sleep. So that was just about a week ago. And interestingly enough, since she's no longer in the house, I've kind of been seeing some weird shadow figures at night. So it could just all be in my head, but I'm definitely gonna sage the apartment. I kind of feel like maybe even though she was sick while she was here, that maybe her energy had a little bit of protection around. So these are supposed to catch your bad dreams. So hopefully at night this will help, and I won't be seeing any shadow figures and experiencing mild sleep paralysis. So if any of you have experienced that, you know how scary that can be. Anyway, I did notice that there's also this little feather here. I really do like this. This is a really great little dream catcher. So I may, if I don't ever get one in one of these boxes, I may invest in a larger one, but for starters, this is really nice. So I'm excited about that. Let's put that over here. Then let's go to the next item, easiest here. This is, you do get in some of these boxes, let's see here, essential oils. So I am all for essential oils. This one happens to be rosemary. So let's see, I love the smell of fresh rosemary. I don't think I've ever smelled rosemary essential oil before. So let me go ahead and take this cap off and give this a, oh yeah, that's really nice. It's not super strong. I like that a lot. I'm not actually sure what the properties of rosemary is supposed to do, so let's see if it says here. Rosemary Fragrance Oil. Considered sacred, rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet. Native to the Mediterranean, the wooded evergreen has been used in folk medicine for thousands of years to improve memory, soothe digestive uses, relieve muscle aches and pains. It is also known for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. This is going to be very useful to me because I don't know if you've watched some of my other videos, I've talked about how in my right thumb here I'm getting arthritis, and it's really painful some days, especially now that the weather is cooling off. So this is good to have. I'm excited to give this a try. So far, this box is really good. I'm excited. So let's get into, they've got a bunch of little pouches here. So let's start opening some of the little pouches. Let's take the one off the top here. And on each little canvas pouch, you've got the symbol here, which is nice. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this is bracelet. Now, the stones on this bracelet, this is a white turquoise and lava stone bracelet. Turquoise has long been considered a major healer, said to assist the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system and stimulating tissue regeneration. Black lava beads is an igneous volcanic rock that is basically molten lava that has solidified under intense pressure and heat. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability throughout changes in your life. Okay. It helps you to harness the power of the fire within. Lava beads are porous and can even absorb the oil of your choice. So directions, we suggest applying just a drop or two of essential oil to the black lava beads. The scent will last a day, if not more. You can use any of your favorite essential oils. All right, that is good to know. So the few black lava beads on here, I will give maybe the rosemary a try. So this is good to have. And what I like about this is it looks like it has a clasp, but it's also stretchy. So I just hope that my larger wrist doesn't break it, but I'm excited to get this. So far, I'm not finding anything in this box that I'm not happy with, so this is good. Let's look at this pouch next. So let's open this up. And this is, okay, this looks like a necklace. And let's see what's on this necklace here. It's got a leather rope here. It's a little tangled there, we got it. There we go. All right. And it's a lotus flower. So kind of like the symbol of the company. It's just a little lotus flower there. That's cute. This looks like it's a choker length. So I may have to put it on a longer cord if I want to give this a try. Because I got a fat neck, so. But that's cute. Let's go ahead and get into the next one. And, all right, so this is a stone, this is a crystal. This is really nice. And this looks like rose quartz to me. And, yes it is, rose quartz pointer crystal. So it's really nice. You can't really, I mean, it looks much better in person than it does on camera. So rose quartz pointer crystal, stone of the heart, a crystal and unconditional love and infinite peace. It is most important crystal for the heart and heart chakra, teaching the true essence of love. It purifies and opens the heart at all levels and brings deep inner healing and self-love. It is calming, reassuring, and excellent for use in trauma or crisis. Rose quartz gently draws off negative energy and replaces it with loving vibes. Carry it with you, meditate with it, lay with it on your body, or place it in your space. Again, this is probably going to be good to maybe put on my nightstand to help with the negative energy I've been feeling lately. So happy to have that. And let's see. This is, let me pull this out because this isn't in a little box. This is kind of cute. Also got this little Buddha figure here. This is cute. I don't have, I mean, we've got some like little statues around the house, but I don't think I have any Buddhas. So this will be nice to add to the collection. And we've got one more here. Let's see what's in this last bag here. This feels like the biggest bag here. Okay, yeah. I was hoping for this. Actually, I knew because I saw it on the card, but I am excited about this. This is gorgeous. This is the Amethyst Pendant on actually a really nice cord. This is a great crystal. So, and it is on an adjustable cord, so that's great. Let's read about the amethyst. I know that I mean, amethysts are beautiful crystals, but again, I'm not really in tune to what all the different crystals mean right now, so hopefully that's something I'll learn as I go along. Pendulum and amethyst necklace. Amethyst is one of the most spiritual stones, promoting love and encouraging selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Mentally, it helps you feel less scattered. That's good because I feel scattered quite often. More focused and in control of your faculties. Tap into the energy of the amethyst to fuel your determination with inspiration. Remind yourself that you can achieve anything you set out to achieve with the help and clarity of amethyst. Make tuning into the energy of amethyst the first of many healthy choices in your life. All right. So that is definitely something that I am going to be excited to start wearing and hopefully experiencing the energy of that. That is the last item in my first Mindful Souls box. So I have to say, I'm very impressed. Like I said earlier in the video, I did watch some other YouTube unboxings of this box. So I had seen these items before, but it's nice now that I actually have them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 items for basically $40. The shipping was really quick. I basically ordered this maybe a week ago, so it came really quickly. And I do have to say, I haven't had issues, obviously, because it's my first box, but I have had some experience so far with customer service in the company, and it's been nothing but positive interactions. They've actually commented a couple times on Facebook to one of their ads in a positive way, which was nice. So it's nice. It's nice to know that the company is being run by people that are paying attention to what's going on and are trying to make sure that they give off as much positive energy as they can. So far, I'm really happy with this box, and I'm excited to get the next one and see what that brings. So I think that will do it for this particular box. I do have a few more boxes that I actually got today that I will be filming after this, but I didn't want to put them all together just in case that there was some that you really weren't interested in watching. So that's going to end it for the Mindful Souls, and I'll see you in my next unboxing video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you then. Bye.